Ah, tigers. Those are the worst you could face on the battlefield. And if the command says they have a problem, they probably mean tigers. We cannot contact the first assault squad. The second's just departed, and here we are, sent to follow them. And if they send us, this can mean only one thing. Tigers.
Let's move. Everybody, stay alert. Air Force is hitting the town, but there'll still be plenty of enemy vehicles.
Let the hunt begin! So, Lucky, looks like this'll be the very day when McLeod snags the title of Tiger Hunter from ye.
Don't get too excited, McLeod. This is... Damn it, here's our first assault squad. Was it a Tiger?
No, different hole sizes. Those were medium tanks.
And here they come.
Small game. Nothing interesting.
Stay focused, McLeod.
Sir, yes, sir. Keep up, Lucky. It's like we're at a shooting range. What are they thinking?
They need us in town. Come on. A VK on the other bank. Fire at will.
That wasn't smart of them. With our optics, they're sitting ducks. Here comes the second. Hey, Lucky, leave me at least one, will you?
That's the first I'm hearing you begging for a target.
Oh, damn, did I say that out loud?
The bridge is blocked. We need to go around.
Be more optimistic, Sergeant. There'll be a pass now.
Optimism is good preparation for a mission. There's a ford nearby. You're a damn fortune teller. How'd you do that?
I've got good eyes. Saw the plane.
Then why didn't you warn us? That was the enemy.
What? I thought that was ours.
Keep up, Sherman. Forward, forward, forward! Enemy, 12 block!
Our lads care what they're doing. What a spectacular fire show.
Let's finish them off and move on. We need to catch up with the second assault squad.
I think they'll be the ones playing catch-up. They took quite the detour. Through your ford. Those tigers have our names on them.
Just don't lose your head. A tiger is a tiger. They're incredibly dangerous.
And that's good. How many do I need to blast to finally earn my medal?
Harping on your medal again? Are you only here for the decorations?
I don't care about it one bit. I just want to send it to my mom. To make her happy, you know. She'll show it off to all her neighbors.
Good news. We caught up with the second group.
That's a hell of a beast. Look for its weak spots, Lucky.
Damn it. Fire like you mean it!
A green marker shows you are aiming at a weak spot of the vehicle.
Aim at its belly. It's always thin under the frontal armor. Ah, this one burns nicely.
Platoon, your attention. All Allied groups have been destroyed. We're alone now. We need to complete the mission. Let's roll. Enemy, 12 o'clock!
Remember to move, Lucky, or they'll hit you in your weak spots. Or you can hide your hull behind tank wrecks. They won't get you at all that way. You've got a strong turret.
I don't think these were the last. Recon suggested we'd see more than tigers.
Those recon guys probably know nothing. Who else can there be? Panthers?
Holy... That's not a panther. That's a king tiger.
Boy, haven't seen this one before.
You should get a medal for that for sure.
Hi, finally.
We can't penetrate it from the front. Let's flank it. God damn it, my track's hit. I'm immobilized.
Lucky, go get him, quick! Brooks! Damn it! Brooks, say something!
A green marker.
It's burning! Burning nicely! The Tiger Hunter!